Permentan ka di Jingleh jongki khana jongka Mairang Presbyterian High Secondary School hak Jingrakhe ya ka teachers se len ka si Burom jong Nonghikai kabala pelong da ka office jong SDSEO Mairang nakam tak East and West Khasi District ya ka di Jingrakhe ya ka si Burom ki Nonghikai na pelong hapo St Thomas High Secondary School hakabai Dr. LR Nyota EAC bat video jongka Mairang block ilalong kongsan baru Pak PM Simdi SIM juga Himano Klau Rolong Kongsan Sembur akan diasni dapat ke Burom lu yakin laingot kini hikai dan award atau yuri ki angot hikai ki berdena petaka barat Scouts and Guides ia akan diasni dapat ku piru nagi cultural program juga kena sekolah bat komjuru ke jingkren na iwe na kinong yo ya kene award bat komjuru na kongsan iblan lang ha kan di ke jalang berdepan pau ke jing sokmen ke jing yo Burom ya kene hikai ki bawra jika ia wakodo nak kamtak kena sekolah komjuru nak kamtak laksa.
Next we have Sister. Thank you, madam. Now I request okay, thank you very much.
Honored to stand before you today as the recipient of this prestigious award. This moment is incredible and special to me, and I am truly grateful for this recognition. First and foremost, I want to express my sincere thanks to the Office of the DSEO Nonghikai and SDSEO Mairang for this incredible honor. To be recognized by such a distinguished group of individuals is both humbling and inspiring. I also want to take this opportunity to thank the many people who have supported us throughout our journey, all of us. To our family, our friends, colleagues, mentors, thank you for your unwavering support, encouragement, and belief in us. Without you, this achievement would not have been possible. To our colleagues, this award is as much yours as it is ours. Your dedication, hard work, and collaboration have been instrumental in every success we have achieved together. I share this honor with each of you. I stand here today not just as an individual, but as a representative of everyone who has ever invested their time, energy, and trust in us. I am deeply aware that this award reflects not just our efforts, but the collective effort of so many others who have been part of our journey. I hope this recognition inspires others to continue pushing boundaries, to work passionately towards their goals, and to believe in the power of perseverance. We all have the potential to make a difference, and I am committed to continuing this work, not just for myself, but for the betterment of our community and beyond.
Kikana sekolah jangka Mairang Presbyterian English Secondary School kila ai ka skit ani ka drama ka bedai bak ani ka sni. Itu musik.
3, 4, 5, I wrote you, room 6, room 7, room 8, room 9.
going to talk and discuss about stages of life.
Next class, the teacher will continue to teach the same topic. The class is over.
Look at him, look at his uniform and his different. Maybe his parents don't take care of him. They don't have money. They are poor.
This is no way for a student to act. I'm going to give you two punishment. Frankie, you come with me. What happened to you back there? Why were you fighting with him? Look, Frankie, people are going to talk down and judge you and your family. But don't worry about that. You should not listen or pay attention to them. All you have to do is focus on your goals and your studies. Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
And Andrew, come in. Why were you talking down to Frankie? Have you ever thought how it might affect him? There is no way for you to talk like that. You should not criticize anybody or their family. This is not how a student should behave. Now go apologize to Frankie.
Yes, sir. Frankie, I'm so sorry for my bad behavior. Can you forgive me? Yes. Make sure that we never do it again.
It's fine. But remember, from now onwards, you should not fight with each other again. And also remember to never talk bad about others or their family. You hear me? Remember, both of you are students, so you should act like one. Now go to your classrooms.
Sorry, sir.
Have to face so many problems in their daily life. What are you searching for? I'm searching for my book. Did you search everywhere? Yes, but I cannot find one. Why is she crying? She's crying because she lost her book. Let's go and find it. No, the book is with me. What? How come it's with you? Because I stole it from and I want to sell this book to get money. And the money we will share it between us. Oh yes, that is a good idea. Let's go.
Hey, you two, where are you going? Come here. I heard what you two were talking about. This is no way for a student to act. And I did not expect this from the both of you. I'm so disappointed. And in school, we do not teach the student to steal or be dishonest. And have you ever thought that Isabel might lose the opportunity to study? And she might fail. You never know. And you will be responsible for that. What do you have to say to yourself right now?
Sorry, sir. We will never do this again.
But remember, this shall never happen again. Now go return the book to Isabel and apologize to her.
Why are you crying? Because I lost my book and I have nothing to read, and also I don't have money to buy a new book. Sabat, I stole your book and we came here to give it back to you. You stole my book? I thought I lost it. Don't get angry with us because
medical checkup today. Would you mind if you check me?
Everything seems to be fine. Got the medicine that was right for you.
Oh, thank you very much. So, how's it gonna be for everything?
I don't need any money from you because I am as I am today, and nothing can compare to everything that you have done for me. So I am so grateful. Thank you so much.
I see you turn out to be great. I'm so happy and proud of you. Keep up the good work in helping those in need. And thank you for all you did to me today. I hope to meet you again next time. I'll be going now.
Of knowledge, they are mentors, guides, and motivators. They have the critical responsibility of fostering curiosity, instilling values, and igniting the passion for lifelong learning. In every lesson, teachers impart not just facts, but the skill necessary for students to navigate a complex world. They help students develop critical thinking, creativity, and the ability to analyze and solve problems. Beyond academic knowledge, teachers also play a key role in nurturing emotional intelligence and social skills, preparing students to thrive in diverse and dynamic environment. To truly harness the potential of education, we must therefore focus to empower our teachers. Empowerment begins with recognition and respect for their profession. Teachers should be valued for their dedication and for their expertise, and also their contribution should be acknowledged in every sphere of our society. Professional development is also another critical aspect of empowerment. Teachers should have access to ongoing training and resources which enable them to stay abreast of the latest educational practices and technological advancement. This support not only enhances their teaching skill, but would also boost their confidence and effectiveness in the classroom. Moreover, we must also advocate for a better working condition and a fair compensation to each and every teacher. Teachers often work long hours beyond the confines of the school day and face numerous other challenges. Adequate compensation and support are essential to ensure that teachers remain motivated and committed to this vital role. Empowerment also involves creating an environment where teachers can collaborate and share the best practices. Schools should foster a culture for teamwork where teachers are encouraged to exchange ideas and learn from each other. By building a supportive network, we enable our teachers to grow professionally and personally, which in turn will benefit their own students.